I dreamed of eating fish. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
I'm a psychologist and I'll explain.
Dreaming of eating fish means that you have a desire to eat fish. Dreams about eating represent feelings of loneliness, so those who dream of eating fish are showing a desire to fall in love. This dream suggests that it is important for the person who had the dream to pursue what they desire. Psychoanalyst Freud said in his book, The Interpretation of Dreams, dreams are seen to fulfill desires. If dreams have meaning, it is to satisfy desires in dreams and achieve mental stability through dream analysis.
Children who have not received social training recreate their wishes in their own way in dreams. However, many adults' dreams are more strange and seem meaningless at first glance. According to Freud's interpretation, dreams do not directly reflect desires, but they become difficult to interpret because they are distorted by censorship. However, analyzing these dreams symbolically can reveal desires that even the person themselves may not be aware of.
Does dreaming of eating fish mean I have a desire to eat fish?
It's natural to think that way. Dreaming of eating fish means you have a desire to eat fish. Catching and eating fish likely indicates a different desire. Wanting to catch fish may have been a desire for profit. In other words, while some changes have been made by yourself, fundamentally, Freud's dream analysis is the idea that dreams are manifestations of desires that are unconsciously suppressed.
I see, so dreams are related to desires.
It doesn't necessarily have to be a straightforward desire. Freud uses the term censored desires in his dream interpretation. Censored desires are those that you want to fulfill in your dreams with various information you see and hear daily, but you don't understand the real intention. But the essence of dreams is still desire.
I see. I kind of understand.
By the way, I also made a video about eating dreams. I'll link it in the description. The desire to eat fish is your desire, and analyzing this dream is likely to lead to emotions related to your personal issues. Therefore, by analyzing not only this fish dream, but also your other dreams, you will understand your desires. Also, you will be able to know what to do to make yourself happy from those desires. French thinker Voltaire left a saying that there is no true satisfaction without knowing one's true desires. Knowing your desires from your dreams will make you happy. Dreaming of eating fish is a dream that anyone who is healthy can have. It represents the desire to intake physical nutrition and the desire to relieve one's stress through the act of eating. If there was a scene where you were eating fish alone in the dream, it may be a manifestation of feeling lonely in real life due to many solitary situations. If you dreamed of having a meal with others, it indicates that you are living among people and that you will receive good information from someone in the near future. People who dream of having a meal with others are likely to already have the habit of valuing human relationships, but your luck will open up even more by valuing human relationships further. Dreaming of eating means you have a desire to eat in reality. Dreaming of wanting to eat fish suggests not only a literal desire for food, but also something more fundamental lurking in your subconscious. Understanding what that is can deepen your self-understanding and provide clues to confront the issues and emotions you face.
So, chasing fish in my dream means I'm pursuing something, but I don't feel like I'm specifically wanting something.
Yes, your dream may not just represent a direct material desire, but possibly something more abstract like success, recognition, or love. The fish in your dream might symbolize benefits or goals you want to achieve in the real world, but haven't grasped yet. Dreams provide clues to listen to your inner voice. Through them, you can consider what you truly seek and how to achieve it.
I see, but I often forget my dreams when I wake up in the morning. Is that okay?
That's okay. Even if you don't remember your dreams, their influence is still working on you unconsciously. However, if you do remember them, I recommend jotting them down. Keeping a dream journal can help you find clues to understand yourself deeper through your dreams. Sometimes the messages from your unconscious in your dreams can lead to solutions for challenges or problems in your real life.
Dream journal, huh? I might give it a try. Thanks, Doctor. Dreams seem to have deeper meanings than I thought.
Yes, exactly. Dreams are a dialogue with our inner world, so cherish their messages. And if you have any new dreams, feel free to share them anytime. Let's explore together what your dreams can teach you about yourself and your desires.
This YouTube channel provides dream interpretations in the comment section. There are over 1,000 comments so far, and there are hundreds of other dream interpretation videos.
After subscribing to the channel, you can search for your dream on YouTube and watch hundreds of my dream interpretation videos. If your dream situation wasn't in the explanations, feel free to write it in the comments. What kind of fish you were eating in the dream is also an important element. Dreams of eating fish with strong vitality, such as eels or conger eels, signify the recovery of vitality. Dreams of cooking and eating fish symbolize satisfying oneself or others.
Cooking. I'm not actually good at it, but I felt like I was doing well in the dream.
Success experiences in dreams can lead to confidence and motivation in the real world. If you were able to cook delicious fish dishes in your dream, it might be a chance to awaken your latent talents and abilities. Find out what interests you and what you feel talented in, and explore ways to utilize them. This dream may be a sign of success for sociable people or those with leadership abilities. By cooking, you can please yourself and those around you, expressing yourself and showcasing your talents. Also, this dream can be an opportunity to become aware of your talents and abilities. If you were able to cook delicious fish dishes in your dream, you might awaken to the talents and abilities you possess. Considering what you are interested in and what talents you have can help you decide your future career path. To make use of this dream in reality, it's important to think about what you are interested in and what talents you have, and increase opportunities to express yourself and showcase your talents. Also, people who find joy in satisfying others, including themselves, can make themselves and those around them happy. So it's good to actively seek opportunities for socializing and demonstrating leadership.
I had a dream where I cooked fish before eating it.
I see, you had a dream where you cooked and ate fish. That's a very positive sign. This dream indicates that you have the necessary plans and preparations in place to achieve your goals and dreams. If you could clearly imagine the completion of the dish and the cooking process in your dream, it means you have a clear path to achieving your goals in real life. If you continue to make sustained efforts, the likelihood of your wishes becoming reality is very high.
Wow, that's encouraging. So, does that mean I should keep doing what I'm doing now?
That's one interpretation. Your dream strongly suggests that you are heading in the right direction and that you should continue on that path. Dreams are messages from your inner voice. Listen to that voice, trust your intuition and abilities, and continue to move forward towards your goals. Dreams should motivate you to believe in your potential and make it a reality.
I've never used dreams in reality until today. I'll give it a try.
Please do. If you had a dream about cooking and eating fish, it can be interpreted as a sign that the likelihood of your goals and dreams coming true is increasing. This dream symbolizes not only having the necessary ingredients and cooking tools, but also being able to clearly imagine the completed dish and its cooking process. It suggests that you have the necessary plans and preparations in place to achieve your goals, and that you should continue on that path in the future. If you can continue to make sustained efforts until the end, the likelihood of your wishes becoming reality is very high. The meaning of the dream also varies depending on the type of fish. Goldfish and carp represent luck and prosperity, while eels symbolize change and growth. Large fish can represent power and influence. Dreams where the fish you tried to eat were rotten or smelly suggest that the environment or relationships around you are bad. This dream may represent the bad events or anxiety that the dreamer is experiencing in their surroundings. Also, dreams where fish are rotten or smelly are said to represent a sense of crisis or caution. The dreamer may need to be cautious and careful about the surrounding situation. In such dreams, it is important to first objectively review the environment and relationships around you and think of measures to solve the problems. It is important to have positive feelings towards yourself and those around you and to act positively. For example, if you are troubled by troubles at work or deterioration of human relationships, it may be helpful to improve your communication skills and stress management abilities, or to discuss with your superiors and colleagues. Also, if you have problems at home or health concerns, you may be able to find solutions by discussing with your family or Dr. Putter. In this way, dreams where fish are rotten or smelly should be interpreted as a sign to correctly understand and deal with your own problems and those around you. Analyzing yourself after having such dreams can help you solve real-life problems. When fish appear in dreams, the interpretation of the dream greatly depends on how you approach the fish. If eating fish in a dream symbolizes seeking romance, then fishing in a dream can be interpreted as a manifestation of sexual desire. In dreams, fish are usually symbols of unconscious energy that is not consciously recognized, so dreams of ingesting such energy indicate that it is an excellent time to bring out one's latent abilities, and positive forces around you are supporting that process.
Wow, so dreaming of eating fish is a good sign. But why is it related to good luck in love or financial aspects?
That's right. Dreams of eating fish are said to suggest economic aspects, career advancement, and joy in love and relationships. This is because the act of eating fish in the dream represents that your inner energy is increasing, and it is an excellent opportunity to use that energy to move forward. Also, it is said that the larger the fish that appears in the dream, the greater the luck that will come to you.
I see, so if I see a big fish in my dream, it's especially a good sign.
Exactly. However, the meaning of any dream varies depending on the situation and psychological state of the person. It is important to consider the fish and other elements that appear in your dream in relation to your own life and the challenges you face. Dreams are messages from our deep psyche, so they provide clues to understanding ourselves more deeply. Advice for those who have experienced dreams of eating fish. It's time to deeply understand your true power and use it as energy to improve your life. Today, when you wake up from a dream of eating fish, is an excellent opportunity to feel the improvement of your life. Choosing fish dishes for lunch or dinner is also recommended as an action to raise your luck. The message from the dream indicates that the appropriate time has come for you to exert your own power. Make use of the hints from this dream and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psychologist explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.